Hi, it's Miss Nicole here, and today we are practicing our TH sound. TH sound. Now, to make this sound, we need to get our tongue out of our mouth. So I'm going to show you what it should look like. Now you can see my tongue isn't skinny. I'm not tensing my tongue. It's not skinny. I'm not rolling it around. It's nice and relaxed and just coming out in between my teeth like this. So that's all you need to do is relax it, push it out, get it between your teeth and blow. So we're gonna try together just going through and getting our placement right. So getting our tongue out where it needs to be and just saying the sound by itself. So let's try it together. And it helps to get your mouth kind of in a smile too. Good. Now let's try it. So get your tongue out. It should be relaxed, nice and fat. Good. All right, now we're gonna try to add in some syllables afterwards. So this one is the, 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 the. Okay, make sure you're saying it with me. So all you're doing is getting that tongue out between your teeth and then dropping your jaw. The, the. Good. Now we're going to try they, 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 they. So this one our voice is on too. They. And now these, 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 these. And let's try those, those, those. All right, now we're gonna try that, 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 that. Good. Now we're gonna try repeating a few common words. This, that, those, them. Okay, so let's try that together. This, that, those, them. This, that, those, them. You can see my tongue coming out each time in between my teeth, and it's nice and wide. It's not skinny, and it's in between my teeth. And you shouldn't be doing anything with your lips. Your lips don't need to be coming in or anything. Your lips are staying just how they normally are. All you're doing, smiling, opening your mouth enough so that you can get that tongue out and blowing out. This, that, those, them. Again, this, that, those, them. Again, this, that, those, them. Nice work. And if those are sounding good, we can continue on to some. If you haven't quite gotten it yet, stop here and go back and try the beginning again. We don't want to move on before you're ready. But if those are sounding great, we can move on and try putting it in the middle of some words, like weather, weather, mother, father, brother, together. Good. And feather. Good. All right, now let's try some that come at the end of the word. So we have bath, booth. We'll skip to, this is our mouth. Mouth. Good. All right, before we end, let's go ahead and just do some the, they, the, though, thou. And then this, that, these, those, them. Good. Awesome practice today. I will see you again next time.